know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars, say you were made to be mine? Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you're meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It's impossible. It's not impossible. Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Because math expresses itself everywhere, in almost every facet of life, in nature all around us, and in technologies in our hands. Mathematics is also a language of science and engineering, describing our understanding of all that we observe, and is said that it is the language in which God has written the universe.
Are you curious about why plants have a specific pattern? Then if yes, watch this. Math is embedded in the plant's leaves. How? Through the arrangement of leaves on a plant, which is called phyllotaxis. If you think that leaves arrangement is for getting much energy from the sunlight, you've got it wrong. Why? Because plant's leaves grows in the meristem, or the part of the plant where the leaves grows according to the angle 137.5 degrees. That is radially equivalent to the golden ratio 1.618, the ultimate proportional increase between successive Fibonacci numbers. So now you have known that plant's leaf is not just randomly growing on its stem, but rather it follows the golden ratio. Try to have a closer look. As you see, the angles between 1 and 2 is the same to the angles of 2 and 3. And so 3 to 4, and 4 to 5, and 5 to 6, and 6 to 7, and 7 to 8, and 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. And if there is a golden ratio, Fibonacci series is also present, where try to look at the measurement of the distance of each in the stem. This is the stem and this is the leaf. Have you noticed that the distance between the first leaf to the second and to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth and to the sixth is greatly different from each other? Because when we add leaf 1 and leaf 2, it will be the length of left 3. And if we add left 2 and 3, it will be the length of left 4. And if we add left 4 and left 3, it will be the length of left 5, as you can see. And if you add this one and this one, it will be like this. As you notice, there is a great difference, because when we add the consecutive numbers, or if we add the consecutive leaves or position of leaf, it will equal to the measurement of the leaf next to it. If you found it complicated, then I will sum it up. When we say the angle of the plant 137.5, that is equivalent to the golden ratio 1.618. It is referred to the specific side of the stem by which the leaf grows. Just like this. As you can see, left 1 is not opposite to left 2 and to the other, but rather they are placed or grow by following the measurement of 137.5 degrees or 1.618. While when we say about Fibonacci series, we have to position it like this. As you can see, when we add the measurement of the distance between each consecutive leaves, the sum will be the distance of the leaf following them. And finally, let me ask you, is golden ratio a math? Yes. Is Fibonacci series a math? Yes. Is pattern a math? Yes. Is measurement a math? Yes. Is proof a math? Yes. Then I can see that math is embedded in the arrangement of leaves of plants, because math is a science of numbers, their operations, interrelations, combinations, generalizations, abstract and of space configurations, and their structure, measurement, transformations, and generalization. It is also dealing with numbers, symbols, notations, operations, equations, functions, processes, simplification, and proofs. So, I will end it here with a saying, never fear math, because math never eats you, but rather love math, as it is an interesting subject that can help you a lot. Thank you and keep safe.